So hello guys, welcome back to develops.ai. So in this video we're going to start and automatically deploy Python web apps from version control to Cloud Run. So if you're new listener, please like, share and subscribe for more updates on develops.ai. So let's start our lab and log into our credentials. So just copy your password and open your cloud console in Ignota mode and click on next and paste your password here, click on next. So there is no agree and continue here. So open your cloud shell in the cloud shell. So now click on. I think it's not showing. Continue directly it is opening. Okay. Just open your cloud shell terminal. So come back to your lab and I'll be providing link in description. So get access of the link and then just copy the curl command given in the description. So copy that and then paste it here and click on enter. So just wait for a few minutes, click on authorize and just wait for a few seconds. It will get execute and the next procedure I'm going to say how to follow the each step by step in this lab. Okay, so just watch the lab very carefully and your lab will be easily solved. So guys, you can see here github.com, click on enter and now next https, click on enter and then it asking for other authentication, so just click on s, type y here and then click on enter and click on login with web browser, click on enter, don't change any of other option given there, so just click on enter for everything. Make sure that github.com and https and yes and then login with a web browser. So please enter, so click on again enter. So just let me log into a github, so make sure that you must have a github account while doing this lab. So click on this and then just let me log into our lab, click on sign in and then just send sms. I have a two factor authentication process, so I'm logging within two process authentication process. So click on continue here and then it is asking for a code, so come back to a lab and then there will be given here code here, secret code, just copy that and just come back to your github and paste it here and click on continue. So click on an authorized github. So now we are all set guys, so come back and the lab will be executed like this form after authentication process of github and then just click on this cloud run, this link, green link here given here, so click on this. So now just come below here, create a service, click on this and just make sure that click on continuously deploy from a repository source or function, click on this and just click on setup with cloud build. So now that we click our repository, so in this in old step what it has been done means it has been created repository in my github account. So make sure that come back here and select that hello world, you can see hello world repository here, so click on this hello world repository and tick mark here and just click next here. So and clear build type is Go, Node.js, Python, Java, .NET Core, everything, and then just click on save here. So no need to change here anything, and just now come below, and then there is a authentication option here. So allow unauthenticated invocations. So click on this and click on create. So just wait for few minutes, or it may take based on internet speed, it may take 5 to 10 minutes or else as soon as possible. Let me wait for a few minutes and let it deploy everything. We have been creating this service. Okay, let me wait for a few seconds or a few minutes. See guys, in this two is completed here. So next three is pending here. For this three pending one, it takes bit time for complete. So let me wait and see till it get green tick here all. So if we process before that, what happens? The lab will not get we won't get a tick mark here. So what we want to finish everything and complete it, and then let me move on next process. Till that we should wait for green tick here to complete everything every process here. So guys, our pending service has been completed. Everything has been completed. So you can see here the green tick of hello world has been completed. So come back to our lab and I'll be providing link in the description. So get access the link and let me move for task number 2 means develops dot number 2. So just copy this another curl command here and come back and just come back to a cloud terminal and just paste it here and click on enter. Wait for a few seconds. It is just a few seconds and then let me move our lab and let me check our progress. Let me move to task number 1 and let me check our progress. So task number 1 has successfully completed. Let me move for task number 2. This is no. Let me move for task number 3, 4, 5 and for fifth. Let me move for fifth task and let me check our progress. So fifth task has been completed. So let me move for sixth task. So six tasks also it has been completed. So let me end this lab. So before ending the lab, please make sure that do like, share, and subscribe for devlabs.ai guys. Thank you for more such contents. Thank you guys.